want to learn about farm animals with me today? Let's do it. Let's learn about farm animals and the sounds that they make and all about them. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Which animal is on this book cover? Can you see it? It's a pig, that's right. What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink, oink. Yes, a pig goes oink, oink, oink. So silly. Let's open the book and see what's next. We have an animal with 4 legs. This one's brown and it has a long fluffy mane. Do you see that fluffy mane right here? Yeah. And it makes the sound neigh, neigh. It's a horse. You guessed it, it's a horse. Horses are so pretty and they're so strong. Next animal on the farm is yellow and it goes quack, quack, quack. Do you know what animal that is? It's a duck, that's right. It's a duck, it's yellow and it has a beak that goes quack, 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 and it likes swimming in the water. Do you want to hear a song about ducks? Have you heard 5 Little Duckies? Let's sing it together. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. The mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks came back. In Vietnamese, it's một, hai, ba, bốn. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. The mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. The mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. And only, how many? 2 little ducks came back. That's right. 1, 2. In Vietnamese, it's một, hai. 2 little duckies. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. The mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. And only 1 little duck came back. Một, just 1. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. The mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. And none of the 5 little ducks came back. None of them came back. Không có. Sad mama duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. The mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. All 5 came back. Yay! Thank you for singing with me. For the next animal, we are learning about the cow. That's right. What sound does the cow make? Moo, moo. Can you say it with me nice and loud? Moo. So funny. A cow says moo. Sometimes cows are white, sometimes they're brown or black, and they like eating grass. Do you know what else cows can do? Cows can make milk. Cows make the milk that some of us drink. Isn't that great? Now for the next animal, we have a sheep. Yeah, it's white. And do you know what sound a sheep makes? A sheep goes Ba. Can you do that with me? Ba, ba. That's funny. A sheep says ba, ba, ba. Do you want to see what's inside this barn? Should we open the barn door? Say open, open. 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Open.
It's fun to pretend to be a cow. Moo.
Let's pretend to be a cow. Moo. Yeah.
Let's pretend to be a sheep.
What a surprise! What sound does the sheep make? That's right. Bah! What do you think is going to come up next? What animal will it be? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I
Oh!
like to pretend to be a horse. Hey!
It's a horse. How fun. I'll show you my new toy. It's helping me learn more about animals. But these aren't farm animals. These are tropical rainforest animals.
Let's flap our arms like a bird.
That's a bird. Yeah. Do you want to hear it again? Look it. Let's press it again. A bird
Flap our arms
says
like a
tweet,
bird.
tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And this animal, do you know which animal this one is? Can you guess it? It's an elephant. That's right.
Pretend you're an elephant.
Pretend you're an elephant. Let's dance around. Okay, what's this animal right here? It's in the jungle and it makes a roar sound. Can you make the roar sound so we can press the button? Roar!